Hello, Fat Guy Flies RC, and once again we're coming to you from the man cave with an unboxing, and this time something I've always something really cool, but this is something I've wanted for quite a long time. This is the Albatross Avios Albatross, and what I've forgotten that sometimes Hobby King will send you a plane just in a cardboard box, and there's really nothing as far as the box, just this piece of cardboard on the outside, and there's the styrofoam coffin. So, I mean, right there, there's one of the props right there. So, the only thing keeping this plane here is just this piece of cardboard. So, and if I remember right, the King Twin was the same way. It was just a cardboard covering a styrofoam coffin. So just a piece of cardboard. So that's fine. I mean, that's what they saved on an outer layer of cardboard. And just giving you just a basic piece of cardboard with a one sticker graphic on there. But let's have the information. The Avios has a 63.7 inch wingspan. Excuse me, sneeze. Including a battery, it has 2170 grams to 2170 grams. It has two 10x6 3-blade propellers, two Turnigy 30 amp ESCs with reversing, 7 9-gram servos, two 35, 36, 850 kV brushless outrunner motors. The suggested battery is a 3300 4S or a 4000 4S, and they both, and XT60 batteries. So a good chunky size. Chunky size? Is that an official size? Chunky size? But a good sized 3S. Not a 4S. I'm sorry, not a 4S, 3S. Okay, not a 3S, a 4S. This is a big plane. Requires a 4S. Okay? And should be a very, very simple build. Okay. Here's the main meat and potatoes of the plane right here. Your main cells. Everything is nice and protected, and shouldn't be any problem there. Okay. Like I said, this is a lot like the Avios Bush Mule in a way, a lot like the Kingfisher. There's your prop adapters and your wing joiners. Okay. Oh, an actual bit of instructions for something. Some decals, as they like to say across the pond. Your vertical stabilizer. Okay. Happened to my knife now. I've lost my knife along with my mind. Okay. Alright. Careful how you cut things. Oh good, the props are already dressed up for you in their little hubs. If I remember right, these just screw on, and then the hubs actually hold them on. Remember, you want to use a little Loctite on that. The horizontal stabilizer, otherwise known as an elevator. Remember, horizontal. Yeah, I like that. Got your two ball links. You do have a foam hinge, but it's shiny, so that means there's some laminate on there. Already a little bit of separation right there, but that's what I use that hold the foam for. Pontoons, or whatever you want to call it, go out towards the outer part of the wings to help stabilize you on water for your wingtips. Okay. Very nice. Very shiny. Shiny, man. Very shiny. Okay. And the first of the two outer wing halves. Have your very nice ball link already hooked up. Yeah, there's a shiny on that hinge there. Very nice foam hinge. And yeah, there's some shiny on that, so there's already a little bit of glue, thin bead of glue. Everything's already hooked up for you where they want you to put it to give you the best experience. Okay. It'll be easier. Same thing for the other wing handle. Oh yeah, there's lights on the end. Nice, good quality hinge. They're foam hinge, but a quality hinge. Everything is nice and covered with appropriate colored tape. Looks very, very nice. It's not a super huge model, but definitely not a small model by any means. Okay. Last but not least, the fuselage. Now this is beautiful plane, absolutely beautiful plane. Gorgeous plane. Oh yeah, nice plastic here. Very nice covering here. I mean, yes, this is foam, but it has like a laminate already on it. Super. The rudder already attached for you, already hooked up. Make things easier. Huge, huge battery or bay in there for you to reach in. Oh man, check that out. All that room, carbon fiber reinforcement down both sides. Oh yeah, this is going to be very nice. Very nice. Plenty of room. Once you fish the top of the wings in, look at how big this back plate is right here. How big this back plate is for the front of that nacelle section to key in. And then there's screws. Looks like it goes into metal that hold the back of the wings in. So easy peasy lemon squeezy. And I hope that light is functional. I really do. But if it's not, it's not. So it looks like the only thing I'm going to have to hook up, you know what, let's look at that vertical stabilizer. Nope, rudder's already hooked up. So the only control linkages you have to hook up are going to be the elevator, which is easy peasy lemon squeezy. All right, I'm very impressed so far. But with the Avios King Twin, I was very impressed with it too. It did have an issue with the front nose gear being a little weak, but other than that, it was a solid plane. All right, so let's take a look at what we've got here. Okay, we've got the fuse. Okay, got your horizontal stabilizer or rudder. You've got both of your wing halves. got your horizontal stabilizer or elevator. Okay, got your both of your pontoons, whatever they call. One little thing of graphics, a little disclaimer telling you CG is 65 to 75 millimeters back from the leading edge of the wing. You got two props, got a bag of goodies, and then you got the main business. And that's just going to key in there. The wing halves go on either end. Put in your tail feathers and your model is put together. So pretty simple. I don't even see where there's any gluing. I did, however, not really sure what I did with it. I thought I printed myself out. Well, I guess I didn't. Thought I'd printed myself out either home, work somewhere, the instructions, but I can always look at them online just to as a reference to put together. But very simple part count, should not be any issue. If you want to use the thrust reverse, you don't have to worry about gear, so you save a channel there, but you do have flaps. So you need at least 5 channels to include flaps. If you want to use reversing, you're going to have another channel for reverse, which would be helpful in the water aspect. Now, I plan on flying this off grass at the field. I don't plan on flying this off of water. I may eventually, do have water everywhere. But I'm mainly going to be flying it off grass. It should have more than enough power. It's very light, good looking model. And yeah, shouldn't have any real issue with it. You will need a long, I probably went overkill and got too long, but you do need a long Phillips head screwdriver to put from the bottom, put the rudder on, because you got to go all the way through, drop the screw in, go all the way through up into the, where you secure your vertical stabilizer or rudder on. If not, you may have to resort to gluing your tail on. Hope that's not too big, too wide, but that's what I got. If not, I'll have to fish around for a long Phillips head screwdriver. All right, well, that's pretty much the unboxing. We'll get her together, and I'll get a maiden for you, and then we'll do a post-maiden and post-build video afterwards. That's all there is. Very small part count. Should be pretty simple. If I run into any issues, that will be in the post-maiden or post-build video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. God bless y'all. And don't forget, faith, family, and friends, them planes, and water planes. Bye-bye.